And good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Beyond the Bell. It is Thursday, June 20th, 2024. It is 60 seconds after the bell, which means it is time to go beyond the news, beyond the charts. Beyond the Bell, brought to you by our good friends over at the Blue Sky Trading Company. For the clearest path to a live brokerage account, live trading with Mike every day in the Discord, and this outstanding show, you have no reason to get your accounts anywhere else. Whew, sorry. Little out of breath. I realized literally 10 seconds before the intro video stopped, I hadn't turned on any of my studio lights. I'm just kind of sitting here like a dumbass. Wow, it's dark in here. So I had to run around and turn them all, but I made it back in this chair, and my grossly out of shape self is now ready for the show. So, man, a lot of people here today. Yeah. You guys just here for the knowledge because there's nothing else going on today. Of course, I jest. Now, I made a deal with you guys in the comments beforehand. 50 likes to release the giveaway link and 100 likes to announce the flash sale code. We're up to 66, so if our good friend Raj back at the home offices in Bloomington, Indiana, could go ahead and post that code, I would be most appreciative to sign up for the giveaway. We are doing 3 spins of the Wheel o' Names today, okay? We are giving away 2 evals of your choice. We're actually giving away 3 evals. The third one is part of the our Twitter giveaways that we like to do. And then the third giveaway, guys, is my first ever full-length strategy futures course, Day Trading with Renko Charts. Just came out on Monday. I've spent about 3 weeks working on it and producing it and editing it. I'm so proud of how it turned out. I've gotten multiple comments about it so far and how clean and clear and well laid out everything is. I'll tell you more about it later. I'm not really here to plug my stuff, but really excited for it. It's honestly, guys, I've done a lot of courses in a lot of places over the years. This is the one I'm most proud of. So we've got a lot going on. So we will post the giveaway link momentarily. Hint, hint to whoever's back in our home office today. And in the meantime, guys, we've got to talk about the markets because this is a show on the markets. So let's get into the big picture. What a day today, guys. Oh, this is a day. This is a day. If you're a newer trader within your first couple of years and you struggle a little bit today, that's okay. All right. It's important, it's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself. But if you're an experienced trader, guys, today had everything. Right, it was those old SNL, the Stefan, this club has everything. Well, today's market had everything. You want mean reversion trades. You want breakout, breakdown trades. You want a 4-hour chart here. We bounced off of 20,000. 20,000. What did I tell you guys? I told you on Tuesday's show. I told you on Monday's show. For me to really confirm the 20K breakout, I need a test of that level. I have to have a test of that level. And we tested it a couple of times today, and it held. Now, that doesn't mean it doesn't give out on Monday, okay? In fact, I'm kind of maybe planning for that into tomorrow, into Friday, into Monday, etc. However, right now it's held. So there's too many people for me to say hi to today, but I see who's here for the first time. If somebody could give me just a yes or first-timer, long-time listener, first-time caller, let me know. Wow, we're well over 100 likes. All right, I will give you that code momentarily, guys. I'm in a liquidity sandwich. Don't you usually have to pay extra for that? That's what Josh tells me. I don't know. First timer. Excellent. Well, welcome. Guys, this is Beyond the Bell. We run this show Monday through Thursday right here on this channel, 4 o'clock Eastern. We occasionally do giveaways, but we give away knowledge every single day, right? So definitely show up for that. And also, we announced our flash sale today, guys. We don't always do that. We have had flash sales and flash giveaways with no announcement before. In fact, we might be due for one of those next week. Maybe I'll give something away. Who knows? Hello, all my trader friends. Well, hello, Blue Sky Trading Company, whoever's behind that account today. Can I get the giveaway link posted, por favor? I would appreciate that. Yes, thank you very much. Blue Sky is the best. Even better when you spell it right. All right, guys. So I promised you we'd get over 100 likes. We would do the giveaway. We've got a lot of business to cover on the show today, both in and out of the markets. So, oh, thank you, Bao. I appreciate that. Giveaway before the code. No. Code goes out first, guys. All right. Yeah, 153 likes. You guys are amazing. If we could get to 200 likes, guys, I will do another giveaway on Monday. I will give away one more copy of my course on Monday if we can hit it 200 likes. Yeah, 90% and 200K static. What company do you think this is, right? If something's always 90% off, it's never 90% off. You feel me? There's your giveaway, guys. All right. So, guys, you know what time it is. It is time for a flash sale. I told you guys, you get 100 likes, you get your flash sale, and I am a man of my word. Guys, this is one of the first flash sales we've done in a while where the code is limited. You only have 100 codes. These are for static accounts. 50% off static accounts, 100 codes. The code is flashy. That's right. They really did that. They said flashy because that's what we came up with, apparently. So there is the code. There are only 100 available. 50% off a static account, which is my preferred account. If I were not in my own brokerage account, I would definitely look for that. Static is the best. PMT. That is accurate, guys. That is accurate. So yeah, it's nice to see everyone today. I see some same names. I see some new names. So guys, I'm gonna leave this on the screen for 10 more seconds, then take it off. We're gonna go through a couple more charts. We'll look at a 5-minute chart on the NQ, which was just an absolute joy to trade today. All right. I'll put that back up later if there's still some codes available. But in the meantime, let's go back. Boy, guys, what a really, really great chart this was today, right? We opened right about here. Retested VWAP. And what have we, again, one of the themes that we've been dealing with in the markets, guys, excuse me. One of the themes we've been dealing with in the markets is when VWAP is holding, it usually holds for the rest of the day. When VWAP gets broken in the morning within the first hour or so, typically then it will hold above the rest of the day. In this case, VWAP held, and that sent us on a more than 200-point scramble to the downside. And guys, it was not straight down. There was opportunities to get in here. There was a couple opportunities to get in here. And then just a retest of the -1 standard deviation. So if you're a VWAP trader, if you're a trend trader, even if you're a mean reversion trader, there were opportunities today, guys. If you're an experienced trader and you didn't make money today, I don't know what to tell you. I literally don't. Now, again, if you're an inexperienced trader, maybe you got in a little too early, you struggled, okay, that's okay. All right. I see people sometimes in the chat being a little too hard on themselves. If you're within your first year of trading, guys, be gentle with yourself, okay? This takes time. Good community like the Blue Sky Discord, great education like I provide in my course. I'm sorry, a little something in my throat. Can really take your learning curve and slim it off quite a bit, right? But at the same time, this still takes time, guys. I never shy away. Why don't I, have as many people like coming to me for education as some of the people who blast their profits and blast their garbage all over the internet? Because I'm not promising you anything, right? And that's one of the reasons I get along great with the Blue Sky guys. We're not sitting here saying, oh, all you got to do is get the Blue Sky static account and buy this one strategy will make you. No, that's garbage. Guys, it's going to take you a couple years to really get good at trading and get good into the markets, okay? Now, it doesn't mean you can't make some money in the meantime, right? But it's going to take you a couple years to really begin, not even master, but to begin to feel like you're coming towards mastering the markets, right? It took me a couple years until I was basically a break-even trader, until I began to see some consistent profits. So be gentle on yourself, right? This is a long journey. Good Lord willing, the creek don't rise. We stick around for many more years. You can trade for, everybody's eager to make, I got to make $1 million in like year one. No, guys, stick with it. Become a 5-year trader, a 10-year trader, a 20-year trader. And if you can be a great trader for 25 years, don't limit yourself to $1 million by any means, right? I don't throw numbers around, and obviously the big M word is, it triggers some people both positively and negatively. But honestly, guys, that's what we're here to do, make a crap ton of money, right? But it's process over profits in your first couple years of trading, developing your trading process. It's something I work with a lot of traders on, is the trading process, okay? Okay. Wow. Look at that. God, I've never seen the chat move this fast, guys. All right. So I gotta catch up on everything here. You know what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna go right to the trader mailbag in just a second, but I am gonna put the flash sale back up for those that didn't see it. There should still be some codes left. 50% off all static accounts. Code FLASHY. That's right. Process over profit, says Cornelius. All right, guys, so we're going to open the trader mailbag. I'm going to take any questions you have. For all of you that are new, guys, we do this every day. Sometimes we get 2 or 3 questions. I have a feeling we're going to get a lot more today. And as always, if you have a question that you would like answered, you are more than welcome to reach out to me. Trader Matt on Discord or matt@tiresiastrading.com is my email. Give me 24 hours to respond to any emails. All right, guys, so we've got the trader mailbag open. We're going to take a look at the ES while we do this. Very similar price action. GC was fun today. I didn't make any trades here, but GC, boy, that thing spiked at the open. Oil, beautiful VWAP based trade today, guys. Full disclosure, didn't take it. Saw it, got mad at myself for not taking it, but I don't chase trades. That's how I don't lose money. Okay, so let's see. When I click the giveaway link, Jared, keep trying. I don't know. Do you use contract adjustments? Also, do you like Edge Pro X Motive Wave? Yes, Diego, I use Edge Pro X. Like it very much. I'm Diego. I'm just looking into value areas. It's something I've been looking into for about the past 6 to 8 months. I need to for something like TPO charts, market profile, volume profile, that good stuff. I need a good 6 to 8 months of study before I'm ready. I studied VWAP for about 6 months before I traded it. I'm never in a hurry, guys, because I know the profits will come. Diego, I'll tell you a little bit about the course. I kind of have a deal with Blue Sky not to plug too much of my stuff here, especially my paid stuff. Although I do have a good free resource that's coming out in a couple weeks for all you guys that I will definitely promote and tell you guys about because it's free. But yeah, I'll tell you a little bit about the course when when we get to the giveaway. Okay, and I won't give you a link or anything, but I'll give you my email again, and you can email me if you're interested in the course, and I will send you the offer. What do you think about ICT strategies? I know absolutely nothing about them. So all I know is if you bring that up in any trading chat room, you will get 100 people that swear by it and 100 people that swear against it. So I don't know. I honestly, I'm just because of that reaction to it, I'm never going to look into it. So if it works, great. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Not every strategy, guys, and I make sure to say this when I'm teaching students as well. Not every strategy works for everybody. That's just the nature of the beast, right? If you were guaranteed for a strategy to work for you, then it would be worth, a $20,000 course, which is ridiculous, right? So, but in any educational endeavor, you should want to just learn as much about different chart types, different setups, and all of that, and hopefully stumble across the 3 or 4 that really speak to you, and you can go from there. The code, how long is Flashy active for? Until it runs out. There's 100, it's programmed for 100 uses. After 100 people have used it, any idea for scalping? Well, I have gone through scalping before, and I'm actually working on a scalping strategy. Scalping? Don't know him. Never heard of him. What is the coupon code? Sharaf, where were you, man? I put it up twice now. Flashy. That's right. All right, guys, keep those questions coming. Is it possible to move the date so we can see what contract it is? Yeah, I'll move it temporarily. This is light crude oil futures. Light sweet crude, not to be confused with bitter crude or sour crude. Let's do live trading during the bell. There's not much great trading right now. Man, Diego, I appreciate all the comments, man. Lay off the coffee, though. When trading on NQ market open, how do you clearly find the direction when bulls or bears are tussling for the crown? So Virtue King, you know what I do? And my students that attend my daily strategy meetings with me every day will tell you, I don't trade the first 15 minutes. I'm in Central Time, so I'm an hour behind New York time. From 8:30 to 8:45, I do not trade. Oh, but there's so much movement in the first. Yeah, there is. Okay, but that's when trend is established or confirmed, right? I'm a big. Most of my trades are trend continuation or trend reversals. And I rely on some candlesticks for those as well. So I'm not necessarily interested in getting in when everybody's fighting. I'll sit back, I'll wait for the winner to at least the winner of the initial 15 minutes to establish themselves, and then I'm going to get on board. Remember, guys, the market is a huge. Think about the biggest river you've ever seen, right? I've seen I'm in the Midwest. I've seen the Mississippi at flood stages, right? When it's just a torrent, right? That's the market. Okay, if we think we're going to swim against that, you're going to be exhausted and die, and your account will get blown out. We just want to get in that river. We don't even need an engine. We just want to ride the current for a little while, and then get out with our profits, right? Okay, man, great questions. I already have one live funded account, one blue live account. Should I buy a third account just in case I blow live account? Yisrael, no. No, and I don't think Blue Sky would have any problem with me telling you not to buy a third account. You're already a customer. I've seen Josh tell people, concentrate on one account to start with. I'm sorry, guys. The other people in this business who shall remain nameless, and it's not just the obvious one. There's several. Want you to buy as many accounts as possible because they make money on the churn. Blue Sky wants to get you into one successful account, get you into brokerage, and have you making a ton of money because they get 10% of it, right? That's what they want. Their business model aligns with your business model. Okay, and that's why anybody, Blue Sky, I'm here with Blue Sky, but anybody that has a path to a live brokerage account, there's not many of them, that's who you should be going with, and that's who you should be concentrating on. Don't worry about a backup, okay, because just by having a backup, you're going to set yourself up to fail. If you fail, that's okay, then you can reload or get another one or reset or whatever you need to do, but worry about one. How have you trade what you find comfortable? How do I trade what I find comfortable, Berto? It takes time. I love the NQ. The NQ is a monkey on meth. It's crazy. It's wild. But I've traded it enough. I'm pretty comfortable with it. Hi, Matt. When you sit in front of the PC, how do you manage your emotions to enter a trade that missed the desired entry point? So if my trade has missed the desired entry point, I do not take it. I am a reformed chaser. I used to chase trades all the time. Cost me thousands of dollars, not in eval fees. I lost $40,000 of my own money my first about 5.5 months of trading. All right, so while I sympathize with people that blow out 5 to 10 evals, you're nowhere near where I am in terms of net loss. No offense, but I gradually built that back to the point where I've lived very comfortably off just my trading profits now. So how do you gotta, you can't chase. There will always be another trade. Here's a tip, guys. I actually took a Post-it note. One of my mentors told me to do this because I was chasing all the time. If I missed a trade by even 1%, I was in, okay? And so I put on a Post-it note, there will always be another trade. And I put it right on my monitor, and it was there for over 3 years until it fell off, okay? So when I was tempted to chase a trade, FOMO, fear of missing out, this is going to be the trade that makes me $1 million. No, it's probably not, okay? Take a breath. Look at your Post-it note. There's going to be another trade. Guys, if you trade even 4 markets in the futures, which I do, I'm mainly ES, NQ, CL, and GC. A little bit of YM and RTY, but mostly those 4. Guys, there's plenty of trade opportunities every day. In fact, there's, I'll get 50 to 60 trade opportunities, not trades, trade opportunities. And I'm going to sit back and take the 3 to 5 best ones I can find. I'll see one, it's all right, not great. I'm going to wait for the next one. And I've been doing this for so many years now, guys, that I know the next one is going to come. It might not come as soon as I want it to. It might be the next day. It might be 3 days from now. But it might be 10 minutes from now. And if you're managing a crappy trade, then you might not be able to get into the trade that makes you money, right? Okay, we're down to 60 codes, guys. I'm going to put this back up on the screen. Code flashy. Okay. How do you deal with family that is not so supportive? PMT, I personally cannot relate to that. I've been fortunate. My family's been very supportive of me. And when I started this journey, well, I'm not married now, but I am engaged. When I started this journey, I was single, so I didn't really have a significant other that I had to bounce things off of. I didn't have kids that I needed to support. I just need to put clothes on my own back and food on my own table, thankfully. And not everybody's in that position. So that was an advantage. That was an edge that I had that not a lot of people have. Honestly, you just got to power through. I remember talking to a young woman many years ago who did not tell her family she was trading, and she was not risking any kind of money at all. She was just paper trading, wanting to learn. She said that they just aren't supportive of me, and I'm sorry for that. That sucks. But honestly, I don't care if the negative energy is coming from family, friends, the markets themselves, right? It's one of the great challenges of the markets. You're going to get nothing but negative feedback for your first few months in losses, in people telling you can't do it, and you telling yourself you can't do it, in frustration, maybe in anger and breaking things. Don't do that. Don't break your computer. I've talked to people that do that. That's an anger problem that needs to be handled. And guys, you just got to push through. That's the best advice I can give. I wish there was a magic pill that I could give you that makes people supportive or makes you ignore it. Just power through and push through. It's going to feel so much better when you are successful, right? Okay. Oh, my email is right here, matt@teresiustrading.com. If you have any questions for the show, if you have any questions about my course, feel free to reach out there. Okay? All right. Yeah, don't give many of your profits, PMT. Like when you go buy, I mean, listen, the Lambo, it's so tried and played out, right? I have a nice car. It's not a Lamborghini. That's like pick me energy, right? That's like highly look at me energy. No. Besides, I'd be worried about scraping it up. I have a nice car, and it seems like once a month I go somewhere and my car gets dinged. Insurance covered it, but I needed about 10 grand worth, or not 10 grand, I'm sorry, about 3 grand worth of body work on it. A few months ago, somebody backed into me when I was in a parking lot. It was a hit and run. They took off, and I wasn't there. I wasn't in the car, but I'm still mad about that. Yeah, but they don't get your money when you just say, yeah, you should have been there for me, right? All right, where are we at on the likes? Am I going to have to give away another big course on Monday? 6 away. When getting funded, do you recommend creating a buffer and then withdraw some and continue trading? If buffer percentage you think is wise and practical? Virtue King, that's an outstanding question. I want to read just the first part of that again, and then I'm going to answer it. When getting funded, do you recommend creating a buffer? Yes, I absolutely do. I would recommend creating at least a $2,000 or $3,000 buffer and keeping it in place. So I'd hate for somebody you finally make it to brokerage, you have some success, you withdraw $3,000, and that only puts you maybe a couple hundred over your fail out point, and then you hit it on your first trade. No. Just I would recommend at least a 3 to keeping whatever the target is to stay above. Right, I would keep at least 2 to 3 grand above that constantly. So you never even have to worry about it. Unless you screw up royally, you don't have to worry about blowing out the account. Started 3 weeks ago, new to futures, taking my time. If you treat the evaluation like your own money. Yeah, that's good advice, Viral. That's very, very good advice. Wife got you into trading, Mike. Okay. Yeah, you can close the window after you sign up. All right, guys. The sign-ups are closed. So as soon as the gentleman back at our home office can get me the names, I will go ahead and spin the wheel. Guys, any questions on accounts or anything like that, please bring them to the Discord. Risk management, how's you survive in this game? That's accurate. Josh, one of the team members back there at Blue Sky, he's very fond of saying he's 100% accurate. We are not in the trading business. We are in the risk management business. Those that can manage their risk better than others will have success a lot sooner. So again, think of yourself not as a trader, but as a risk manager. All right. Oh, that's right. We're going to, I apologize, guys. I forgot the X winner. So, guys, we're going to put up a poll. If we go a little past 4:30 today, we're not worried about it. So this is our giveaway. So, again, we do these on X, for the social media app formerly known as Twitter. So we're going to put up a poll here in the chat. And so the question was, how is trading different than you initially thought? And this is for a free 200K eval. John says, I thought it was just executions, but now I realize it's only 10% execution and 99% mental. Thank you, Yogi Berra. Casey says, I am always impressed with all the different ways to trade. Everyone has their own style and technique. And C, trading involves complexities beyond just buying and selling assets. It requires understanding market trends, risk management, and sometimes dealing with unexpected outcomes. Many people initially think it's mainly about making quick profits, but in reality, it often involves careful analysis and discipline to succeed. So, guys, I know who I'm voting for. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to put my thumb on the scale. And we will take that down in about 30 seconds, and then we will go to our main giveaway. Yeah, Little Tiger, that's part of the joke, man. What was the old saying to Yogi Berra? This game is half mental and 90%, or it's half physical and 90% mental, or something like that. Yogi was a special dude. All right, guys. So we are running out of flash sale evals, guys. I'm going to put this on the screen one more time. Code is FLASHY. We're down to just a handful. So if you were thinking about getting this 50% off the statics, grab one now. All right, so the giveaway goes to C. So, Kimi Heha, congratulations. With any giveaways, guys, again, we need 3 business days to reach out, so please be patient with us. So that be sometime before end of business on Tuesday. All right? All right, my friends. So I am getting the wheel o' names ready. So what are we giving away today? We are doing 3 spins of the wheel. The first 2 spins, I'm going to do the evals first today. The first 2 spins of the wheel will be for an eval of your choice, 1-month subscription to an eval of your choice at Blue Sky Trading Company. Wow, ton of names on here. This is going to take like 2 minutes to load. While that's loading, I got to check, see, did we hit 200 likes? We did, so it looks like I'm giving away another course on Monday, so show up for that. All right, my friends. So the first 2 spins are for Blue Sky, evals of your choice, and the third spin is for my brand new course, Day Trading with Renko Charts. Wow, look at this wheel, guys. You guys are going to like this. You can't see a darn thing on this wheel. Thank goodness these things pop out, right? So the first 2 spins are for Blue Sky evals. So, guys, can I get a spin that wheel? Can I get some bells in the MF and chat? I want to see them right now. I got to see 100 bells before I spin this wheel. Look, there we are. There we go. All right, that's like 20. Keep them coming. Who's going to be that guy and put like 50 of them there? There's always that guy. There it is. Love it. I'm a bell junkie. All right, guys, it is time to spin that wheel. So the first spin of the wheel is for a Blue Sky eval. Who will it land on? Rocco Luca Talarita. Congratulations, you have won a Blue Sky eval of your choice. All right. The second spin of the wheel is also for a Blue Sky eval of your choice. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, we will now see. That doesn't rhyme. Brendan O'Malley. And his cousins, Patrick Fitzgerald and Gerald Fitzpatrick. All right, guys. So the final spin of the wheel is for my Day Trading with Renko Charts course. My first full-length future strategy course just came out on Monday. Getting some really rave reviews for it so far. I'm really excited for it. If you don't win and you are interested, guys, I'm not going to go through the whole thing right now, but feel free to email me, matt@TiresiasTrading.com. Just say, hey, can you send me the info on the course, or I'm interested, or course info now, Trading Monkey, whatever you want to put in there, and I will go ahead and get back to you on that. But in the meantime, one person is going to get that course at no cost to them. So let's find out who it's going to be. Let us spin that wheel. Chris Bernard, congratulations. You have won the Day Trading with Renko course and all the little bells and whistles that come with it. Again, if you're interested in that, email me, matt@TiresiasTrading.com. Guys, what an outstanding show we had today. Thanks, everyone, for showing up. Again, I think there's just a couple of codes left. It's 50% off the static accounts, code FLASHY. And, guys, we still have our summer sale going on right now. Any of the premium accounts, $25K, $50K, 100K are just $99 a piece. Okay, so if you didn't win a thing, or you didn't take advantage of the code, this is available for a few more days, I think. I can't read the fine print there. Yeah, absolutely, Tio. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Obviously, no show tomorrow. It's Friday. I don't want to work at 4 o'clock on a Friday, and you guys all want to. You guys have all made your money. You're out spending it on a Friday, right? I mean, if you're not yet, you will be. So, guys, thank you so much. And again, you hit the like threshold, so I'm going to give away another course on Monday. But if you want to go ahead and start that course right now, feel free to email me. Other than that, guys, there is no excuse to not get a Blue Sky account today, because you've got a 50% off code, Flashy, for the statics. If you're not into the static, that's okay. I personally think they're the best accounts. But if you're not into them, that's okay. Grab a premium account for just $99. The 25K, the 50K, the 100K, whichever ones you would like, are available for just $99. So, yeah, Mike, always appreciate you. Mike's got the energy, man. Mike, you got energy, brother. I appreciate that. Every day you bring that energy. And, guys, that's what you need to bring to the table every day, right? So just one closing message here. And now, my final thought. If you're under 40, you're not going to get that. But anyway, I've talked to a number of traders this week, and it seems like in the past few weeks, it's been one of two things. People are either getting really encouraged or discouraged. They're making a little progress, they're doing well, or they're starting to get really frustrated. I just grabbed a static, never tried them. Let's see if I can be part of the team soon. You bought one. You're part of the team, Knarf. You're part of the team right now, brother. Universal, gender neutral, brother. But anyway, stick with this, guys. This is a hard journey. I've worked with people that are doctors, that are lawyers, engineers, and they'll tell me this is just as hard as anything I've done, to master your emotions, which is really what trading is all about. Risk management and managing emotions. We get so caught up in strategies. And guys, I've just built a strategy course, but I'm here to tell you that's not all you need. Okay, you need mastery of your emotions, and you need mastery of risk management. Stick with it. Keep learning. Every day, you should do one of two things: make money, learn. Ideally, you do both, right? I'm still doing both every day. But Coach Matt, for just a second, telling you, hey, if you're a little discouraged right now, get your head up. All right, get your head up. The markets will be open tomorrow, and we're going to get after it. Be smart, trade smart, act smart, think smart. Okay? Thank you guys for watching another week and another edition of Beyond the Bell. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys on Monday. Good night.